February. Hello and welcome back to Life, Beauty, and Soul. If you're new to my channel, welcome. I hope you enjoy. Today we are going to review the February BoxyCharm box. And I am so excited about this box because I've been wanting something that they kept showing on the sneak peeks and I got it. So very excited to try that particular goodie from this box. I sneaked before doing this. I had to open it Friday when I got it. So I know that I got that one product. I'm also excited about the rest of the goodies in this in this box this month. So yeah, let's jump in and see all the other goodies that I got. And this month theme is Afterglow. Really pretty pinkish peachy card that has all of the products that are included in the box and their prices. And at the end, we'll tally up and see how much the box was worth this month. My box was worth this month. And again, I paid 19 and change because I do the every 3 month subscription. So the more months in your subscription, a little bit cheaper the box. If you do it month by month, it's $21. No shipping, so it's $21 plus tax. And because I have it on a 3-month subscription, I get it for $19.90 something like that. Let's see. First thing, should I show you the one product I want it real bad first? No, let's hold on a little bit for that one. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to pull out is a No Problem Primer. Touch in Soul is the brand, and this is a smoothing and pore covering. Top secret for perfect makeup. That's the rest of the name. Yeah, very excited to try this one because I do have my biggest pores in this area, and I'm always on the look for something that will help minimize my pores before I put my the rest of my makeup. So very excited for this one. It has a little bit of a scent, and then it's really soft, kind of like well, no, doesn't say the ingredients in the back. This is a Korean brand. Let's see what this says. The Touch in Soul No Problem Primer creates a seamless canvas for your foundation with your new Touch in Soul No Problem Primer. The light silky texture, yes, it's very silky. Blurs pores and wrinkles, giving you a skin as soft giving your skin a soft velvet feel. Green tea and collagen act as adhesives, holding on tight to your makeup for many hours of flawlessness. And this is retail for $18. $18 right here. Box cost me $19, so almost the whole box on the primer. Oh, and it is 1.01 fluid ounces. So that's a good size. That probably is gonna last quite a bit. The next thing I got, and I think almost everybody knew, everybody that gets the BoxyCharm knew, we got the Better Than Sex mascara. Again, it looks like that. Everybody's seen these hundreds of times, but I have never actually used this one, so I'm very excited to try it. I used the Lash Paradise, which everybody says that is a good dupe for this one, so I get to try the real one. That is retail price of $24. So there you go. That more than covered the price of the box. Okay, the next item is the nude sticks, and this is a magnetic luminous eye color. It is in copper foil. Ooh, this is probably going to be pretty for a one eyeshadow look. That is pretty. You know, and that probably will be good for liner too, like down here on the lower lash. It's very pretty, and it feels really soft and thin, but still, look, after spreading it some, it is very pretty. Ooh, perfect for spring and summer. And the nude sticks, let's see, it is retail price of $24. It lasts 24 months and it is 2.8 grams of product. So this should last quite a bit unless I really, really like it and then I just get into wearing it every day. It won't last that long. The next item, this time there were 5 items just like last time. It is Pretty Vulgar Bronze B, and this particular color is in the bronze mannequin. I'm excited. I'm again always looking for a good bronzer, and this one is a seems like it's matte. Yeah, it's a matte bronzer. I don't know. Yeah, right there. Not too dark. We'll have to try this one some more to see how it's gonna look on my face. The retail price for the Pretty Vulgar Bronze B bronzer is $32. Wow. And it is a total of 5.7 grams, and it has a shelf life of 12 months. Yeah, again, if I really, really like it, I probably will hit pan on it because I hit pan on my bronzers when I really like them. And last but not least is what I wanted to try really, really bad, and it is the Coco Cabana cream from Sol de Janeiro brand. And I laughed because I was watching Coffee Break with Danny and she was saying how it smells like popcorn, and I was like, really? I'm with you, Danny. It does smells like popcorn. When you first open the jar, that's what I'm smelling. But then the more I'm smelling it, I can smell the coconut and the vanilla in it. I really like it. I must not be as dry as Danny, but I really like the texture of the cream, and after a couple of minutes it slows down on the popcorn smell, and I can smell the coconut and the vanilla. I'm not a big fan of coconut scented stuff because a lot of them tend to smell really chemically, like really fake, and I don't appreciate that. From the Caribbean, I know what a coconut is supposed to smell like, especially when it's dried. And so if it smells too much, that synthetic fragrance, well, I tend to stay away from it. But this one is not bad. Like I said, you can smell the vanilla after a minute. But yes, after you open it, girl, it smells like sweet popcorn. Truly, truly does. Shelf life of 24 months, and it is 2.5 fluid ounces. And it's a little bit goes a long way on this one. I tried it already. I cheated. When I opened it, I had to open it and put it over my hands and arms. It's like a gel, and when you rub it on your skin, it melts and it soaks in. I did not feel that it stayed oily on my skin or sticky. I really didn't feel a stickiness on it. But again, I didn't put a whole bunch on. I put just enough. So excited to keep trying this one. The fragrance does last quite a bit. And let's see, that one there, it retail price for $20. And that is our box for this month. And like I said, we're going to tally up. This is a total retail value of $118 for this month. So for $21 or $19.90 something that I paid for a 3-month subscription, you got $118 box value on the box. So that is great. This is like Christmas, y'all. When I get these boxes, I'm so excited. Of course, I peek. I follow a couple of sites on Instagram, and they kind of give peeks of what is coming on the boxes, and next month is looking pretty good too. So I'm excited for that one. But for now, I will be playing with all these goodies. On my face right now, I have the makeup product from last month's BoxyCharm, and that is the, I'm gonna look at the monitor, That is the Tarte Rainforest of the Sea, and I got volume 3. So that's what I have on my eyelids. I did use a cargo matte brown on the crease color, but everything else is the eyeshadow palette that we got in January. Lips are Ofra Havana Night. And then I have the Star Looks, and I don't know, let me get real close. See that right here? I have it on my lower lash, on my upper lash. I tight line with it. I think you can, it's still there pretty good. Top part, I don't know, I can't see much. It works okay for that. But right down here, you see right down there, it kind of transferred me because I smile a lot. And so I've been smiling today, just came from church. And I know it's not my mascara because I wear the CoverGirl Clump Crusher Waterproof. So it's that. You can see it right there. That, oh caramba. That I do not appreciate. But it's okay. I don't think it's worth $19, honestly. I continue to use the Briogeo for my ends, especially on my, I thought I had it down, for my ends. And I want to say I like it. I like it. I like the smell. I still have one Tatcha mask, which I probably do tonight when I relax. But overall, it was a great value box as well. It was, what did I say, 115. If you have not watched that video, I'll probably put it at the end of this video so you can see the products that came in last month's box. Very excited for this month's box. Excited to try the goodies in it. If you are new to my channel, again, welcome. I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to give me thumbs up, subscribe, and press the bell right over here so you do not miss any of my videos. That is the way that you will be notified that I have uploaded. And I am almost done with the planning for a new segment on cooking. I'm going to be sharing some Puerto Rican recipes and probably some other recipes that I do. As I've said before, I'm a working mom and the crock pot is my friend. And so I'm going to incorporate some of those crock pot recipes as well. But we will start with some really good Puerto Rican food to get us started on the cooking segments for this channel. So really excited about that. That's why you need to press that bell so you can get notified when I upload, because those may not be just a Monday upload. Those may be another time during the week. So yeah, very excited for what is to come. Again, I hope you enjoyed the Monday Nugget, and I hope that you are having a great Monday. Until next time, I'm sending you lots of love and blessings. Mwah.